Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Money Mindset Hub. Today we're diving into one of the simplest and most effective budgeting strategies, the 50/30/20 rule. If you've ever struggled to manage your money or wondered how to balance saving and spending, this video will help you take control of your finances, and it's way easier than you think. Whether you're a beginner to budgeting or just looking for a simpler way to manage your money, the 50/30/20 rule is perfect. Let's break it down. Okay, so what exactly is the 50/30/20 rule? It's a simple way to divide your income into three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. Basically, this rule suggests that you take 50% of your income for your needs, things like rent, utilities, groceries, and any other essentials. Next, 30% goes to your wants, things like dining out, entertainment, shopping, and other non-essential purchases. Finally, 20% of your income should go towards savings or paying off debt. Sounds simple, right? Let's take a deeper look at each of these categories. Let's start with the 50% for needs. This is the foundation of your budget, ensuring you cover all the essentials first. These are the essentials you absolutely must have to live and function. Without these, your daily life would be significantly impacted. This includes things like rent or mortgage, utilities like electricity, water and internet, groceries, insurance such as health and car, and transportation like car payment or public transit. These are non-negotiable expenses. Basically, if you can't live without it or it's essential to your day-to-day life, it goes in the needs category. This is the part of your budget that ensures your basic survival and functionality. This part of your budget will take up about half of your income. It's crucial to keep this portion balanced to avoid financial stress. For example, if your monthly income is $2,000, then $1,000 would go to your needs. This helps you prioritize your spending. If rent is $800, utilities are $150, groceries cost $200, and transportation is $50, that's $1,200 in total. This means you're over budget, which means you'd need to adjust a bit. Maybe cut back on groceries or transportation costs to make sure this category stays at 50%. It's all about finding the right balance to maintain financial health. Next, we have 30% for wants. This is the portion of your budget where you get to indulge a little. This is the fun part. It's all about enjoying life and treating yourself. Wants are the things you enjoy but you don't absolutely need. They add joy and comfort to your life, so things like dining out, movies, or entertainment are perfect examples of wants. Hobbies like gym memberships or subscriptions to your favorite services also fall into this category. Shopping for clothes or gadgets, and vacations are other common wants. These are the things that make life enjoyable, but they're not essential for survival. They add flavor to your daily routine. This category should take up about 30% of your income. It's a good balance between enjoying life and being responsible. Let's say your monthly income is still $2,000, so 30% of that would be $600. This is your budget for wants. This could go toward meals at your favorite restaurant, streaming services, or that weekend trip you've been eyeing. It's all about balance. It's important to not overdo the wants section. Overspending here can lead to financial stress. If you spend too much on non-essentials, it might take away from your savings and impact your financial health, or impact your ability to cover your needs. Stick to the plan and enjoy your wants responsibly. Last but definitely not least, we have the 20% for savings or debt. This category is all about building a secure financial future and paying off any outstanding debts. Here's the deal. Saving for emergencies or future expenses is crucial, and if you have any debt, paying it off should be a top priority. With that same $2,000 income, 20% is $400. You could use that money to contribute to an emergency fund, start saving for retirement, or pay down high-interest debt like credit cards. Alright, let's put this all together with an example. Let's say you earn $2,500 per month. Using the 50/30/20 rule, here's how your budget would break down. So your essential expenses like rent, groceries, and bills would total $1,250. Then, you have $750 for non-essentials like eating out, entertainment, or shopping. And finally, $500 goes toward building your savings or paying off any debt. As you can see, the 50/30/20 rule is really easy to follow. It helps you prioritize your spending, ensure you're saving, and still have room for things you enjoy. Here are a few tips to help you stick to the 50/30/20 rule and make it work for you. This budgeting method can be a game changer if you follow it diligently. First, track your spending to make sure you're staying within the 50/30/20 guidelines. This means keeping a close eye on every dollar you spend. Use an app or write it down in a notebook. Second, adjust as needed. Flexibility is key to making this rule work for you. Life happens, and sometimes you might need to move money between categories. That's okay. Just make sure you're not consistently overspending in one area. Be realistic about your wants. It's important to treat yourself occasionally, but don't let it derail your financial goals. Don't go overboard on entertainment if it means you'll fall behind on savings. Prioritize your long-term financial health over short-term pleasures. Finally, review your budget regularly to see how things are going. Regular check-ins can help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. If you get a raise or your expenses change, you can update your percentages to keep everything in balance. This ensures your budget evolves with your life. Alright, let's recap the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. This method is simple, straightforward, and easy to follow. If you stick to it, you'll find that managing your money gets a lot easier, and you can start building a better financial future. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video helps you feel more confident about budgeting. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on personal finance. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try the 50/30/20 rule, or if you've already tried it. I'd love to hear how it works for you.